guys, so today we're going to cook burrito pittas and they'll have some lamb or beef mince inside. So let's get started. Okay, so you need half a kilo, 500 grams of mince. I'm using beef mince, but lamb mince will work too. And you need some rice that's cooked already. I'll show you the one that I have. Okay, it's got a yellow color, that's just a bit of turmeric, so it's about half a kilo too, or you can use actually less than that. Depends how much rice you like in your burritos. It might taste better with just 300 grams. Okay, so we have 1 grated onion that's going to go in now. And now for the spices. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic, or 2 tablespoons of parsley, chopped parsley, a third of a teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of cumin. Tried one small one now to see if it's got enough salt. That's my easy test and an easy way for you to know if it's tasty with the right amount of spices. If it's not enough salt, not enough chili, add a bit more into the rest of the mixture before you cook it and mix it around. So now it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. I found the seasoning was perfect. So now we're going to mix in the rice and some Mexican sauce, which has some tomato and chili in there. So now there's my rice and I'm going to mix it through. Okay, so now it's been cooking, it's warmed up the rice was already cooked, and I'm going to put in some lovely Mexican sauce to give some flavor to the rice. You could add 1 or 2 spoons of this. It's better to mix all thoroughly before you decide how much, so just add it slowly because it's quite spicy. And if you feel it needs a little bit more salt, add salt. Okay, so now it's ready to go in your burrito, in your wrap. But first we need to grate some cheese. So now what I normally do, I get some grated cheese, put it throughout, and heat it a little to melt it. That gives it a lovely taste. And we'll also put some cheese in the pitta too. Or if you want to put it in a panini maker to make it like crispy on the top, you can do that too. So it looks delicious. So I put it in the panini maker just to make it a bit crispy. So now it's ready. And we can have some fries with it. You can have whatever you want with it. So I've added some fries and some sauce. It looks amazing. Bon appetit. Don't forget to like and subscribe.